Jilly, and today we'll talk about mathematics. What is really mathematics? Well, mathematics we see all on our lives because mathematics. Some person hate mathematics, then they have bad luck because sometimes you don't even know what 1 plus 1 equals. I read a book called Weird School, and Mrs. Daisy, the second grade teacher, doesn't know everything, even 1 plus 1.
Really?
She didn't know anything, even the word unique, 2 plus 2 equals. She doesn't know anything. She know only a little word, basic words like are you and today's word is and all the basic word. And she doesn't know anything, any word like unique, antique. She doesn't know that word.
Okay, come back to the topic.
And mathematics is really the point of life, and sometimes you can see it when you go somewhere, go to another country, because sometimes even light bulb is really math, because they kind of light bulbs don't need math. They just need electricity, which is made from really hot weather. And mathematics, and I welcome you to the world of mathematics.
Wow.
And really, math has also math problems. Almost everything in the world has math problems. And math problems, really, they is formed by like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All that symbols make the like when we need to do the symbol really means. Like subtraction, the subtract line really means like you need to put it away.
Wow.
Like the first number is going to like put away the part that is like the number that is subtracting, so that it could get a smaller number.
Oh.
And that means like I have 5 cakes, but I need to give 3 cakes because it's 3 of my friend's birthday.
Oh.
And so 5 minus 3 equals 2. So I have two cakes left.
Oh.
So that is a math problem. And money, I'm sure you know that money isn't math. Well, money is currency, but we can spend money, and it'll like 5 cakes minus 3 cakes because I need to give it to my friend's birthdays, and I only 2 cakes left. And sometimes money can make like also a math problem. Look.
For example?
I have a dollar that worth $100, and I need to buy 2 things. Candles and the cake, because it was going to be my friend's birthday at 8 p.m. at night. And that's just 5 p.m. already, so we need to buy fast. But we need to buy 7 candles because my friend is going to turn 7 when it's his birthday. And each of those candles equals $5. So see, 5 times 7. Well, times is like how many times? Like 5 one time, 5 two times, 5 three times, and blah 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 more. And kind of 5 times 7. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Because see, I count every fingers of my 9 fingers, and each of them were 5. So 7 fingers, and that equals to 35. So 100 minus 35, well, equals 65. You have 65 left, and the cake worth $40 because $45 because the cake is sometimes expensive. And then you need to subtract because you lose your money. So 65 minus 45 equals 20. So you have 20 left. And the number that we spend is $80. Because see, 100 minus 20, the number of dollars we have left equals 80. So that means we have spent $80. Oh, that's a lot of dollars. Well, now it's time for money topic. And sometimes you like to spend your money, and it's sometimes a math problem too. And money is math too. Do you know that sometimes you want to buy something and like you spend it, like the time I tell you that there is my friend is having a birthday party at 7 p.m. and it's just 5:30 p.m. So I want to buy these 7 candles and the cake. And we need to subtract. Like, and the candles we times like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that's times. Like how many times it is. And so that we got the answer, and we subtract the number left. And so we take the number left minus, like, subtracts the number of the cake. Like 65 minus 40 equals 25. So that's 45 equals $20. And that is all the money we have spent. And so that we take 100 and minus 20, the number of money we have left, to see how much we have spent. Well, $8 is really a below number of money. And you have to buy some stuff. Like, one time, you really want a skateboard. And now you see in a toy store, a sports store, you see a skateboard. You want to buy it, so you got in the store and see the price. You have only $45, but it was $45. So that means 55 minus 45 equals 10. That's easy because see, 5 minus 5 equals 0. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's basic math. And that kind of, you have $10 left. You put it in your piggy bank. If you have so. And well, saving money is also about money. Well, sometimes you have no money, zeros. I have nothing. And then you want to earn money. And sometimes by earning money, you have to do service. Like mowing people's lawns and walking a dog and more, so that you can earn money. But sometimes you have to spend, and you get all the money from the lucky money, so that you get lucky money. Yeah, there's some in Vietnam too. Almost every country has lucky money. And you get that money, but don't spend it too fast when you got it. Save it in your wallet. If you don't have a piggy bank, put it in your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, then put it in your backpack. But don't buy it at the cafeteria at school.
Why?
Because you just earn money. You need to save it, or otherwise you grow up no money and kind of
Broken.
Yeah, broken. Because if they want to grow a lot of money again, they have to work a really hard service. Like you work every day at a company and you are a great person, so you put like a computer seller. You have to sell that for 24 hours. You can pay only $100 for a day. So that means you grow a lot of money then, but when you got the $100 for the first day, well, of course you can spend it as far as you want, but you need to spend it a little. And remember to use your money wisely. If you spend all of it, well, you could make it back, but that wasn't make it. That's gonna make spend money. That means you make and then you spend the money on something. So that means you have to save to be rich kid.
Do you want to be a rich kid?
I think so. If I wish I had $1 trillion.
If you have a lot of money, what do you do?
Just kind of save it for my son. If I have, so that they could have money, so that they could spend when they in the future. I wasn't there for them when I was old. And kind of that time, they had to do on their own. So that I gave them money, but sometimes I let them spend it on cafeteria money if they want. And well, cafeteria money is really you buy stuff. And you kind of know that I save a little money for needs. I save some money for needs, but not like the other rich persons. The other rich persons have maids working for them, the chef working for them, security guards, many things that include really high quality. But I just want to spend money on my sons and daughters so that they could use my money in the future so they could have their needs and enjoy a little stuff with my money so that they could give back to the kids of their own so that the kids could transfer them to their sons, daughters, then their sons, daughters transfer back and until there's no more money. So that time, the person that gets a little money needs to work until they had money rain.
Don't you spend money for your grandparents and your parents?
My grandparents that time is past life already.
I mean at that time, if they still alive.
I give a couple of money, like only this much or this much. Well, and next. Sometimes code is mathematics too, but code is sometimes a really language. See, code is sometimes mathematics too. And code is something kind of language that it is really hard to understand. Well, so mathematics is numbers, also numbers, and sometimes symbols. Yeah, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and division. Fractions. Well, I wrote like a little note on this one. Well, fractions are like half. Like they are really like how many parts? Like example, I have arrived at my friend's party, and that's 7 o'clock. And I brought the cake. She said thank you. And there were 45 persons joined her party, including me and 35. So she needed to split the cake in 36 parts so that everyone will have an equal piece. And so that will be fair. And goodbye. Don't forget to learn math more and explore more about math because math is interesting arts and more. Farewell. Goodbye.